erupt with energy with the Volcano Workout. You just need a set of dumbbells and your mat. We're gonna get started with our standing warm-up. Let's warm it up because this is gonna be hot like lava. There's 1 and 2. Don't forget to start your watches if you're keeping track. 3, and let's do this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Knee open and close. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side to side with your arms up. Lateral bends. 1, warm up that spine. 2, you know what? We can do them this way. 3, that's our V. 4, 5, 6, stretch it. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Second round. Elbow to knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open, close that knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All warm. If you are not yet warm, go ahead and do that again or get any other stretches that you need. But we're going to get started. We're doing our volcano workout and we are going to start with our dumbbells. It's a single leg V shoulder raise, okay? So we're going to go up to our V and back down. There's 1. So you want to make sure your dumbbells aren't too heavy. 2, because we have 2 sides to this, right? So there's 3. 4, you can even do this without weight. That's totally fine. 5 and 6. Good. 7, 8, 9, 1 more, and 10. Let's switch to the other leg. We'll repeat the same thing again, other side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, warming up those shoulders for sure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Dumbbells to the side. Next, we've got our fast feet coal walkers. So just fast feet. We're going to go 10 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Front lunge with a twist. There's 1. So we're only turning over our front leg. Okay, so there's 1. I'm going to show you back here. And 2, all on the same side. Good. There's 3, 4, 5. You can be holding your dumbbells if you'd like for this one. 6 and 7. Good. Turn it. 8, 9. Get those legs fired up. 10. Other side. We're going to step and turn. 1. We're always going over the front leg. 2, 3. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we're going to grab our dumbbells back up again. We're doing a reverse grip, bend over row. Abs in tight, hinge forward. Flip your grip upside down and we're pulling straight back. There's 1, 2, 3, good. 4, 5, pinch those shoulder blades together. 6, shoulders down. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we go straight into bicep curls. So compound set, our back and then our biceps. And this one is a 3-part bicep curl. We're gonna start with our regular bicep curl, our traditional, our hammer curl, and then our reverse curl. Okay, so there's 1, turn, turn, and turn. There's 2, bicep curl, good. 3, 4, and 5, turn it. There's 6, 7, good job guys. 8, 9, one more, and 10. Good work, you guys. Okay, you can put those down, shake your arms out if you need to. Otherwise, we're gonna hop right back into this round again. We're going to that single leg overhead V. Here we go. Dumbbells come up and down. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch to the other leg. Other side. V with the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, dumbbells to the side. Let's do those cool walkers. Here we go. Fast feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Front lunge with the twist. Front step, turn, back to center. 1 and 2. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10. Let's switch other leg. Step it forward and pivot. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Grab your dumbbells. That bent over row with reverse grip is next. Abs in tight, hinge forward, flip the hands and pull. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bicep curls. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, curl, 8, 9, one more. Woo! And 10. Awesome job, you guys. Let's have some water. If you can pick up your water bottle after all those curls, make sure you're hydrating. It's so hot at that volcano, you need to keep that water close by so you don't overheat. Okay, and then we're gonna finish with the second round on the mat, okay? So go ahead and grab your dumbbells. Grab my stretching strap for the end. Okay, so we're going to be doing lifting and lowering your legs, but we'll need the dumbbells close by for our pec fly that comes right after. So legs come up in the air, we're gonna go down and up. There's 1, 2, 3. If you need to bend your knees, that's okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And grab your dumbbell. Okay, we're gonna do one only at a time. You can put them on each side of you, but we're gonna go single arm pec fly, out and in. If you wanna make this harder, you can pick your feet up as you go out and in. There's 2, otherwise keep them down. 3, the farther you stretch your arm. 4, the harder it is, and you can bend the elbow. Good. If you wanna make it a little bit easier. Good. That's about 7 or 8, I'm gonna call it 8. And 9. There's 10. 1 for good measure, just in case. And switch to the other side. Out and in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we're sitting all the way up. We're going to do a single arm tricep extension like this, okay? So if this is a little too much on your back, you can always be laying down to do your traditional tricep extension. Otherwise, go ahead and sit up, dumbbell up, and you're going to bend and extend. There's 1. You can sit cross-legged as well. 2. See what we're doing here. 3, 4, 5. This is going to work your core as well as your tricep. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other arm. I'm going to start up, bend and extend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, dumbbell down. We're going to reverse crunch and then our transverse. So knees are up. We're going to bring our knees up and over. It might look like this, little tiny one. It might be all the way up. It's up to you. Okay, here we go. There's 1, 2, 3. Feeling the upper abs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Feet come down. Contract your transverse abdominus. Find that muscle down here. Give a little cough. Feel that flex, flex, flex. We're gonna take a big breath in. Exhale, squeeze the transverse. Squeeze and relax. There's one. Squeeze and two. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. 1, 2, 3, and 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, there's 10. Okay, let's do this all again. Legs come up, lift and lower those legs. Down and up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Feet come down, dumbbell comes up, single arm pec fly, out and in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch to the other arm. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And sit all the way up. Dumbbell comes up overhead, tricep extension, bend and extend. There's 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, dumbbells to the side, reverse crunch. Okay, knees come up and over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feet come down. Contract that transverse. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Release. 1, 2, 3. There's 2. 1, 2, 3 for 3. Squeeze. 4. Squeeze. 5. 1, 2, 3. 6. 1, 2, 3. 7. 1, 2, 3. There's 8. 1, 2, 3. 9. 1, 2, 3, and 10. Ta-da! Good work, you guys. Okay, so there's the volcano workout. Let's stretch it out now that we're finished. If you want more of a workout, then you can repeat that again or add any moves that you'd like. Okay, grab your stretching strap though if you're ready to stretch it out. Put that strap over your foot and let's go ahead and stretch 30 seconds or so, 15 to 30 seconds. Stretching the hamstrings. Very nice, you guys. Well done. So breathe deeply, finding that comfortable stretch, no strain. Feeling good. Relax into the stretch. Bring that leg across the body, stretch the outer hip, stretch the IT band, abductors. and bring it out wide. And let's switch to the other side. Put your foot in and switch. Or leg can just be up if you don't have your stretching strap. And across. And out wide. Okay, let's bring that foot in, put your stretching strap out to the side, and flip over. Okay, we're gonna do our pigeon stretch. So bring your right knee in front, and we're gonna extend the back leg. If you want to be sitting sideways with both knees bent like this, that's okay too, to stretch your glutes, okay? Otherwise, you can bring that leg behind you, kind of set yourself over. Sometimes the knees don't like this, so if your knees don't like it, then you can also be doing the figure 4 stretch, lying on your back still. Okay, so settling into this pigeon. And then go ahead and fall out of it, swing your other leg around. Let's switch to the other side. Pigeon on your other leg. Okay, and lying flat on your tummy. Let's pull one foot in towards your bum for your quad stretch. And if you want your stretching strap for this, grab it and wrap it around that foot. And switch. And release, press back into child's pose. And go ahead and sit with your legs out in front of you, feet together, knees apart for butterfly, hinging forward, stretching those hips, stretching your back. And bring yourself up. You can sit in butterfly still, or you can cross your legs, whatever is comfortable for you. Let's cross one arm over the chest for our shoulder stretch. And switch. Love those overhead V's. We want to stretch these shoulders so they're not super sore tomorrow, so you can wash your hair tonight. And up over the top, triceps. Other side. Stretch your biceps out in front, palm down. So you're just pulling your arm forward. Other side. And stretch the chest. And there we go. Good job, you guys. There's your volcano workout. We're erupting with energy now and feeling oh so good. And it was so fun to work out with you. I cannot wait to do it again. In the meantime, keep your workouts fun, safe, and effective and get them done. Be consistent and then it will pay off. Okay, you guys, I will see you soon. Aloha.